Hey guys, I'm Christian21 here. Today we got this GE Fujitsu window air conditioner. I got this so backstory behind this one. It was installed in a house, and I remember seeing this thing. I remember as a kid always wanting that unit when I saw it on the curb, and they recently renovated the house. They're getting central, and I thought, well, this is a good time to get the unit. So I was thinking about asking them, but before I could even ask, when I went for my daily walk, saw it sitting on the lawn. The case was banged up because, you kind of have to destroy them to get out of the wall if you don't do it correctly. The thing was caulked in well. But anyway, so I asked the guys. They had a few other units in the house that I'm probably going to be taking it another day. So stay tuned. But, so we got it. This unit is, pretty childhood to me. Let me show you. You can see I banged a little bit there, but it's a 12,000 BTU. It's a 9.1 ER, 26 ounces of R22, made in September of 1990. So yeah, here's the back of it. See, it has the good old GE tag on the back here. So yeah, it's a pretty good unit. I had it running earlier. I had a full charge. It was sweating. It's not sweating anymore, but. Actually, can you see the water in the basement? Is there any water in the basement, anything like that? As a mattress sheet or rotary compressor. Oh, you can kind of see the sweat on there. But anyway, let's start it up on fan first. Here's fan only. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it, but it has an air swing on it and a timer. I need a knob for it though. Is it on the air swing? Yeah, and it has an energy saver and a timer. Yeah, let's try low cool. I have to wait a few minutes for this thing. So yeah, I'll be back when this thing's ready to go. Okay, guys, so we're gonna fire this thing up now. Yeah, this is like the third take because this thing doesn't really want to fire up for me, and I really want to hear this thing fire up on video because I haven't heard this thing myself. Even though this is the third take, the energy it keeps like going on that 3-minute delay. So now I think we got it. This unit hasn't I haven't heard it run because of the stupid delay. The first time I had it on when I got it back here, it was out of case and everything, but I had it over there, turned it on, got myself a cup of water. Then it kicked. When I came back outside, it was already running. So we're gonna hear this thing fire up and run for a decent amount of time this time because I only had that one on earlier briefly. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Man, that's a sound I haven't heard in years. I had a GE J series from the early 2000s in my old house. Had the exact same compressor sound on this thing. That's a sound I haven't heard in years. Nostalgia for me. Oh my god, the sound of this thing. It's so nostalgia for me, honestly. Look at that. Air swing going on it. Thermostat's all the way up. That's the thermostat, the slider. Look at that. This thing's running. That's a big accumulator. Big accumulator. It's almost the size of the compressor. Has a wraparound coil on the indoor and outdoor. Alright, I'll take off the cover actually. Let's do it. Bear with me a minute. There we go. Whew. Yeah, this thing's kind of deformed still, so it's a little bit of a pain to take it on and off. So yeah, here it is inside. It's disgusting, but we're gonna clean it up. Oh yeah, and the vent works. See, it opens, close, open, close, open, close. That works, along with everything else. It has a filter in here too, which is nice. Alright, I'm gonna put the grill back on this. Alright, we're back on. See, there's your vent. It even goes in this specific opening too, so that's pretty cool. Blows a lot of air. Even right there. So yeah. Oh yeah, and you remove the filter by pulling on this filter. So yeah, we're gonna let this thing run a little bit and we'll be back. I see the fan in there. I see the motor in there. I see it in there, but we're gonna let this thing run and we'll be back. Alright, it's been running for a little while now. Yeah, this is icy cold. Way cold. This thing has a full charge as well. And it's sweating up there. You can see it's sweating up, like, sweating up. You can see the wrap around there. And all sweaty. Accumulator sweating. Let's see. It's going warm out back. So yeah, let's go up through the speeds. Alright, it's on low right now. Here's medium. And high. This thing is quiet. You can barely hear that fan. Alright, here's an in-between speed. Let's just turn on the thermostat and I'll shut down. Give it a second. Drop the thermostat all the way down. I guess I'll shut it down. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
This thing is they're both 2.5, I think. Oh, there's a GE Fujitsu right there as well. There you go, GE Fujitsu.